Looking for a garage helper that actually pulls its weight? Well, today we're checking out the Ryobi 18-volt 1+ dual function lighted creeper and seat. This is model PLC 692B, and spoiler alert, this thing might just change how you work under and around your car in your garage. Ryobi packed a lot into this unit. First off, it's part of the 1+ 18-volt system, so it uses the same battery as over 300 Ryobi tools, so that means no extra batteries to buy. It's got integrated LED lights that light up your work area, great for tight wheel wells or working under your vehicle. The lights are adjustable from spot to flood and range from 100 lumens on low up to 400 lumens on high. But here's the kicker, it switches from a low profile creeper to a sturdy rolling seat in seconds with no tools and no fuss. And it's not just a gimmick. The steel frame supports up to 400 pounds and the padded surfaces are actually comfortable and feel decently durable. Let's put it to the test. I've got an extensive brake job lined up that involves new front and rear rotors, brake pads, brake hardware, and a brake system fluid flush. And this creeper's coming with me. Right away, the LED lighting makes it different. No more balancing a flashlight with your chin or clenching it between your teeth. But if you notice, the flexible arms are a little weak and require adjustment often because they seem to fall under their own weight. We wish they had this little stiffer of a system. Now I'm doing a quick undercarriage check for leaks. With a quick flip, I've got a rolling mechanics creeper that is smooth rolling and saves my back. There's even built-in trays and slots for small tools, and it's compatible with the link system, which allows you to easily attach different trays and accessories, which is a nice touch. Here's the breakdown after we spent a little time on our projects around the shop. For pros, I really like the dual functioning design as it's actually practical. The LED lights are super beneficial, it rolls smoothly and feels sturdy, and I like that it's 1+ battery compatible. I do have a couple cons though, and one is that it is a tool-only unit, so it doesn't come with a battery. The height of the seat is not adjustable. The LED light arms seem a little bit flimsy, and the price is a little bit more than one would expect when compared to other creeper seat models. If you are a DIYer or a weekend wrench turner looking for a reliable creeper seat combo, the Ryobi might be worth a look. For around 159 bucks, this could be a great addition to your garage, especially if you're already on the 18-volt Ryobi platform. Like many Ryobi tools, I would wait to pick up one of these until it's on sale. Now, I have to know, would you consider this for your shop or garage? Drop me a comment below. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, do that so you don't miss out on our next video. And as always, thanks for watching.